Hey big dogs, today I'm going to show you how to get a Last War Survival modded version so we can actually get unlimited gems, diamonds, anti-ban, we've got autoplay, we got max VIP. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's super insane. So just go over to hexmods.com and type in Last War Survival, bro. So as you can see, it came up. So we're going to go ahead and press on it. We're going to press the download button and it's going to start to download. So if you have a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But let's just give it a second here for it to go ahead and finish. So before it downloads, you may see something telling you that you got to download some apps to complete the instructions, which is 100% free from official app store. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required. So we're going to see all these apps, and what we got to do is download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. So they got like Merge Gardens, where you got to reach level 9. This one's a game. That's pretty easy. But then they've also got like TikTok, Text Now, all these apps. So just make sure you do 2 of them and you're going to be good to go. And then you will get the Last War Survival mod, and you can get gems, diamonds, anti-ban. All the settings are here, guys. Super cool. So yeah, I'm going to see you later. But that's how to get the Last War Survival hack today. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. There is a video if you're confused. But like TikTok's easy, down install, use for 3 days. Text Now, install, make a 30-second call. Cash Draft, down, run 15K coins. So pretty easy stuff. I'll see you in another video though, but be sure to subscribe if you guys want to get the Last War Survival modded version with gems, diamonds, all that good stuff. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, tell your friends about it, bro.